Hello students, good evening. I just wanted to give you some important information and clarification in connection to the key approach of examinations. And JNTK authorities are preparing the required guidelines and schedules for the smooth conduct of examinations and soon. And also they given some sort of important information regarding the clarifications and the doubts having the students also. And coming for these examinations, most likely they are going to start from June 20th and the appropriate schedules and with necessary guidelines, and they will be releasing at the maximum by June 8th. And coming for these examinations, first they will be starting these examinations for final semester of BTech and final semester of MBA. And of course we have the examinations like the second mid examinations we have, and the project drivers examinations we have, and the external theory examinations we have. And as far as these examinations are concerned, like final year BTech second semester and MBA second semester project waivers examinations, this time they are going to conduct these examinations in online mode. This is very very important. Every student should remember, and every student should recognize and prepare as such. So the project waivers examinations will be conducted in online mode only for this particular academic year for the BTech and PG like MBA, MTech, whatever it may be. So in this regard, and in view of this particular aspect, and this coming with this internal project reviews also we conducted online, and to make you well prepared to face this kind of online mode of examinations. Why regarding this particular project waivers, we are also planned to conduct this kind of mock project waivers examinations for BTech and MBA, because we thought that for many of the students this is the first time for many of the students, maybe of 90% or 94% of the students, to face any kind of examinations in online, like this virtual mode of examinations, except a few candidates. So in this particular online mode of project waivers examinations, all the students and along with our faculty, we will be having our hosting at our institutions. That means as per the schedules, the student groups along with the concerned project panel like head of the department and the concerned project supervisor will be there, and we will be having a link to connect with the external examiner, and we will be having this kind of project waivers examinations. So we need to prepare well to face this kind of online mode of project waivers examination, because it is absolutely different when compared to the offline one. Your pace of the presentation and like your communication and your confident delivery of the content, these are all very very important. So you please prepare well that mock examinations of project waivers will be very useful to you in this particular aspect. So you please prepare in this particular lines. And coming for the rest of the examinations, maybe of final year second semester or PGs or first year BTech, second year BTech or third year BTech, all the theory examinations will be conducted this particular academic year in paper mode only. That means as such we are facing the examinations as of now in the same lines we are going to have the examinations for this kind of session also. So you will be having your mid examinations, you will be having your laboratory examinations as such, then you will be having your theory external examinations in paper mode only. So you prepare in the slides, all the timetables or schedules are being renewed, and our examination cell will take care of issue of all tickets and all necessary information and all, everything will take care of. And in this particular range, you should also have to maintain certain health constraints and this particular present pandemic. All the students who are attending for examinations, they should have the cotton face mask, and then you should also preferably you need to have this kind of safety cotton gloves also, and you need to come to the college to attend for any kind of examinations with your own belongings. You should not try to get exchange from any of the things. And as far as laboratory examinations are concerned, you need to have your own apron. Do not try to exchange the aprons from one to other. And these are all the very important safety conditions you need to maintain as and when we are appearing for these examinations. We are attending for examinations in the college itself. And another important thing is the physical distancing is very very important. As and when the students are trying to attend for the examinations, you need to maintain appropriate physical distance, and whether it is the classrooms or the online laboratories or in the laboratories or in the theory examinations, the physical maintenance is very, very important. And this is very important, and you please do remember, because why in fact I am telling you, of course the JNTK authorities, the controller of examination from JNTK, also given some important video presentation, and we passed this information. And apart from that, I feel that it is also our responsibility to see that we should also give some sort of important information to our students, because there should be no communication gap. And please see that this information is passed to all your students. I think this is the thing, and these are the process going to happen for all JNTK affiliated colleges. And there may be a bit variations in autonomous colleges, that is different, but the conduct of examinations is all VIVOS examinations, project VIVOS examinations on online board, and all external examinations are on paper mode. This is confirmed. You please prepare with that. And other modes of what you call assessment, like your assignments, whatever you are having as per your curriculum, and your internal examinations like first bit and second bit, which includes the online and descriptive, all are common. There will be no variation, and external examination will be common. You please keep it in that mind. But because there are some sort of rumors at outside regarding examinations from different corners, you please do not believe any kind of things, and don't go or don't follow any kind of fake news. Whatever the valuable information we are getting from the university authorities via their official websites, you do follow your JNTK website, and you also look at our websites, and all the necessary information we are trying our best to pass through our heads of the departments to you. And regarding your applications, regarding your hall tickets, everything the examination section will take care. And as and when, in case there are any kind of clarifications and all, we will give you, so that you can follow accordingly. So this is the very, very important information. Please keep it in mind, and be safe, and do not waste your time. And at the same time, take care of your health also. Do not try to go without any having any kind of special importance to go outside for any kind of emergent works. Safe well, be safe, and try to maintain the best physical distancing. Try to have the best hygienic food. Prepare well for the examinations. All the schedules, as and when we get from the university, whether it is day or night, immediately we will try to send to you through your heads of the departments. Whatever the official information being sent by the principal through your heads of the departments or any section in churches, you do follow. For any kind of clarifications, and you are at liberty to ask at any time, you can mail to me, or you can ask your heads of the departments or the examination sections. So you please keep these particular points in your mind. And I hope I cleared all the necessary important doubts. In case you have anything, please prepare. Once again, let me tell you, all project VIVOS examinations on mode, and all theory examinations are offline mode or paper. So I wish you all the best. Be safe, happy learning, and enjoy your studies. And let us wait for schedules to come, and advanced wishes for your future coming examinations. And please do take care of any kind of instructions, safety instructions given by the government authorities or your parents or your teachers. And take care of the people who are really in need of, in particular our students or any of our fellows. So I wish you all the best, and thank you. And do subscribe this channel also, because whatever the updates we have, immediately we will try to send. So thank you. Bye.